Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by launching pages and creating a document. This is where structure matters. Tap the plus icon, pick a template or blank page to fit your goal, and make sure iCloud is enabled so edits sync across devices. Once created, name the file at the top to keep things organized. You're doing this now to avoid losing work. Consistent naming and syncing make collaboration and recovery simple while you add content. Now you'll add and format your content. Tap any text to edit. Use the Format button to adjust font, size, alignment, and spacing so the page reads clearly. Once done with text, use the plus menu to insert images, tables, shapes, or comments. These elements help present data and guide readers. Make sure to use styles for consistent headings and body text, because consistent styles speed future edits and maintain a polished, professional look across the whole document. Finish by sharing or exporting your work. Tap Share to invite collaborators, send a copy, or export as PDF or Word for distribution. Once shared, use track changes and comments to manage edits. This preserves versions and clarifies feedback. If something goes wrong, like sync delays or missing edits, toggle iCloud off/on, force quit pages, then reopen. That often forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, restart the iPad to clear temporary issues and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.